how to set up alerts in Chase app. Hey everybody, welcome back. If you would like to set up alerts in Chase app, you may follow up the steps. So what you may do first of all is go ahead and log in into Chase application, and once you log in into the app, you may look out for your profile. It is located in the top right corner or any location. You may go ahead and tap on your account first. Once you tap on account here, it will open up your profile and settings. You need to look out for that option or section with alerts and messages, where you'll be finding option of manage alerts. You may go ahead and tap on it, and then once you tap on it, there you will be finding different options. You may look out for the option called security alerts or credit card alerts. Tap on it. Now once you go ahead and tap on it, here it will give you option like what kind of thing would you like the alerts for example, notifications. So you may just go ahead and drop it down one of them, and you may just go ahead and select some of the options. So if you would like push notification alerts, you can go ahead and check it out, or text alerts, you can go ahead and check it out, or your email address alerts, you can just go ahead and check it out. After that is done, you can just go ahead and tap on save changes. And once that is done, once your changes has been saved, you will be getting alerts after that. So this is it. You may follow up this method if you would like to get alerts for your Chase application as well. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.